Hello, it's 8:15 in the evening, and I'm out walking the dog. Here's the dog. What happened today? I started filming this morning when I was talking about I was going to start intermittent fasting, and I've succeeded with that today. So that's one day. I ate my last food at 6:15 p.m. and actually I'm not going to eat at all tomorrow because I wanted to try to have a water fasting day. So no food at all tomorrow. So it's a longer period of no food, and what I ate today was about 2,200 calories, so that's about 200 calories more than I would have liked. So therefore I will take a longer walk with my dog than planned, so that makes him happy, so that's good. I ate a milkshake, and I had some vegan meatballs with no meat, of course, and some potatoes, and a lot of broccoli. So I enjoyed today, but I feel very heavy now. I've felt pretty heavy the whole day, and not only because I'm fat, but because I ate so much this weekend. So I'm going to walk the dog, and then I'm going home to go to sleep. So, good night.